Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The try and except statements in Python are used for error handling. When working with Selenium, a web automation library, it's important to handle potential errors that might occur during the execution of your script. Here's an informative tutorial on using try and except with Python and Selenium, along with a code example. When automating web tasks with Selenium, unexpected errors can occur due to various reasons such as network issues, element not found, or page loading delays. To ensure the robustness of your Selenium scripts, it's essential to implement error handling using the try and except statements. Let's consider a scenario where you want to automate the submission of a login form using Selenium. We'll use a simple example with the Python Selenium bindings. Ensure you have the Selenium library installed, pip install Selenium, and the appropriate webdriver, example Chrome driver, downloaded and available in your system path.